After more than 3 years, federal student loans have to be paid again. Student loan borrowers had the chance of having 43 months of payments deferred. The Department of Education rolled out that option in March 2020. Remember, that was at the beginning of the pandemic. But earlier this month, interest began accruing again on those loans. And next month, many borrowers will have to start making payments once again.
And for many adults, this could be the first time that they actually have to pay student loans. It's a major change to budgets already tight from rising inflation.
Such an important story. So tonight we're turning the mic over to student loan borrowers, a financial expert, and a financial attorney. We kick off our coverage with KSHP 41 News reporter Jian Kim.
She joins us with the concerns of people directly impacted by this and finding solutions that can help every borrower.
When we found out, they're probably not going to be extending it again, it definitely gave me some of that anxiety.
In just a couple of weeks, Andrew Correo will have to make sacrifices again to make do.
To this day, I still have about $40,000 of student loan debt.
Growing up in a single-parent household, a chance at higher education meant taking out loans. And like many others in their 20s, he changed his major, which meant more money to start again. On top of all that, tuition for a master's degree in education.
Unfortunately, being an educator, not a ton of extra income around there to just be able to pay out of pocket.
The payment pause during the pandemic gave him a financial safety net over the last 3 years. But starting next month, he'll be spending $300 to $400 a month, even with the help of a payment plan.
That is piano lessons, that is dance lessons for my kids, that is a vacation.
Many borrowers like Correo were disappointed when the Supreme Court struck down the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program. Student loan advisor Jason Anderson says now is the time to make a plan.
I tell borrowers to go to the student loan simulator on the Department of Education's website. They can plug in their information and it will tell them what different plans look like for them.
You may be surprised by all the options you qualify for. And as of this August, a new federal program called SAVE is an option too.
It's a great plan, especially for undergraduate borrowers. For undergraduate borrowers, it's only 5% of your income that's going to be put towards your student loan payment. If you have graduate debt, it can be between 5 and 10%.
For those that took out a small amount of money for undergrad, they may even get forgiveness as quickly as 10 years. Correo says while these financial assistance programs are vital, the long-term solution is breaking down barriers to higher education from the top.
If America can't figure out how to get more students into higher ed, we're going to fall further and further behind when it comes to the rest of the world.
Jian Kim, KSHP 41 News.